Hello everyone, let's have a look at one more question under arithmetic section. Try this question by yourself, then come back to this explanation video. For the construction of warehouse which is in a shape of rectangular cuboid, Haldiram, a leading snack company, asked an architect to build a prototype. Looking at future demand, officials of Haldiram suggested to increase the area of three mutually perpendicular faces of prototype by 140%, 80% and 92%. Find the percentage increase in the volume of warehouse because of this increase in the area of the faces. So first of all, let's understand what we mean by three mutually perpendicular faces. For that I will draw a cuboid. Okay, so let's call this is face A, this is face B, this is face C. So over here I can see that face A is perpendicular to face B, face B is perpendicular to face C, and face C is perpendicular to face A. So out of these three faces, take any two faces, they are perpendicular to each other, that is why they are called as mutually perpendicular faces. So now let's call the length of this cuboid is L, breadth of cuboid is B, and height of cuboid is H. So the area of these three faces we are going to increase by 140%, 80% and 92%. You can allocate any percentage increase to any face, it doesn't matter. So over here, let's take face A. The area of face A is equal to how much? L into B. This is the initial area of face A is L into B, and the new area is going to be how much? It is going to increase by 140%. To increase this LB by 140%, we need to multiply it by 2.4. The multiplying factor is going to be 1 plus 140 by 100. 1 plus 1.4, that is 2.4. The area of face B is B into H initially. After that, we are going to increase this by 80%. So now the new area becomes B into H into, this is going to be increased by 80%. So multiplying factor is going to be 1 plus 80 by 100, that is 1.8. The face number C, the area of face C is L into H. We need to increase this area by 92%. So we need to multiply L into H by which multiplying factor? 1 plus 92 by 100, that is 1.92. You can shuffle these percentages in between these three faces. Your final answer will not change. How it will not change? Because we are interested in a volume. To find the volume of cuboid is L into B into H. To find the volume, we are supposed to multiply these three equations. Okay everyone. After multiplying this, what we will get on the left hand side, look here. L into B into B into H into L into H, it will give us L square B square H square. And on the right hand side, it will become L square B square H square into 2.4 into 1.8 into 1.92. As we are interested in volume, the volume of cuboid is L into B into H. So to find the volume, to find the value of L into B into H, we need to take a square root of both sides. We need to take square root of both sides. So what I will do is, now there is no any need of this prototype, so I will delete this part of the calculation. Now let's find the square root. Okay, we are interested in a square root of 2.4 into 1.8 into 1.92. I can write it as 24 into 18 into 192 divided by 1 and how many zeros? 1 and 4 zeros. Now look here, 24 is nothing but 6 into 4. Okay, 18 is nothing but 6 into 3, or you can write 18 as 9 into 2. Now look here, 192. 192 is nothing but 6 into 32 divided by 10,000. So we can write numerator as 6 into 6 is 6 square. 9 is 3 square. 4 is 2 square. 2 into 32 is 64. 64 is 8 square. Divided by 10,000 is nothing but 100 square. So let's get the square root, everyone. The square root is going to be 6 into 3 into 2 into 8 divided by 100. That is equal to, let's do this multiplication. 8 2s are 16. 16 into 6 is 96. 96 into 3. That is equal to 288 divided by 100. Okay, everyone. So let's take a square root of both sides. It is going to be L into B into H. If the initial volume is L into B into H, the new volume becomes L into B into H into 288 divided by 100. So over here we can say that the ratio of initial volume and new volume is going to be how much? 100 is to 288. We need to find the percentage increase. The percentage increase is how much? 188 is an increase on 100 into 100. That is equal to percentage increase in a volume of the warehouse is going to be how much? 188%. This is how we can solve this.